In the world of code so wide and vast, there is Tomcat, agile, strong and fast. Not a furry cat who chases mice, but a Java server, clean and nice. He waits for knocks from browsers near. Hey Tomcat, show my webpage here. He reads the code, both smart and sleek, and sends replies within a blink. You write in Java, pages logic flow. With servlets, JSP, it's good to go. Wrap it all in a .war file tight, and Tomcat runs it day and night. He doesn't serve just static things, but apps that fly with backend wings. Login forms, data posts, Tomcat handles all the hosts. He's lighter than some fancy peers. No need for bug or admin fears. For simple apps or growing sites, Tomcat shines with Java might. So if you build a Java dream, Tomcat joins your coding team. A butler swift who stands by thee to serve your app on HTTP.